almost every aspect of our lives has been impacted by technology, including our health. So, in this video, we'll show you 10 incredible health and wellness gadgets you must try to achieve a much healthier lifestyle. So without any further delay, let's get started. Today's advanced dental technology brings us the Life and Wave electric toothbrush, the world's first to combine vibration and oscillation, setting itself apart with a unique cleaning approach. What makes this toothbrush special is how it cleans your teeth. It doesn't just vibrate like regular electric toothbrushes, but also sweeps side to side with 60-degree widest range, similar to how you'd naturally brush with your hand. This dual-action movement not only saves effort, but also perfectly aligns with the dentist-recommended brushing technique. Tests by SGS show it removes 6 times more plaque than standard electric toothbrushes. Plus, this brush comes with superfine bristles, measuring just 0.02 millimeters, that reach deep between your teeth while staying gentle on your gums. Besides the 3 adjustable levels on the toothbrush, you get complete control through the smartphone app, where you can customize everything from vibration strength to oscillation range, with over 1,000 combinations to find exactly what works for your teeth and gums. You can also adjust the brushing time from 2 to 5 minutes and enable the 30-second reminder. The toothbrush reminds you to move to different parts of your mouth every 30 seconds, making sure you clean thoroughly. Speaking of convenience, the magnetic charging system, similar to what you might have seen on Apple's products, gives you up to 30 days of use from just 2.5 hours of charging. With such groundbreaking technology and user-friendly features, the Life and Wave electric toothbrush is priced at just $69.99. It includes 3 different functional brush heads, and replacement brush heads are affordable, costing only $15.99 for a 3-pack. If you're looking for a toothbrush that effortlessly cleans your teeth, offers advanced customization, and brings unmatched convenience, the Life and Wave is the ultimate choice. Do you want to maximize your protection against airborne health risks? If so, then the Mask Phone is your answer, which combines functionality and fashion so you can stay protected without compromising your style. It has 3 included PM2.5 filters and is equipped with multi-layered protection that makes this mask the ultimate choice to keep you safe. This mask comes with an integrated IPX5 rated pair of wireless earbuds that are capable of providing powerful, crystal clear music. So now, you don't have to face the hassle of wearing your mask and earbuds at the same time on a busy subway. Besides, it also has a built-in microphone with background noise isolation to take phone calls clearly, as your voice won't get muffled under your mask. Live in a healthier lifestyle with the Netatmo, a smart indoor air quality monitor that highlights potential problems and tells you how to fix them. With its 4 precise sensors, including humidity, air quality, noise, and temperature, it will tell you what you need to regulate to create a healthier environment for you. Besides, with a single glance at the Healthy Home Coach app on your smartphone, you can easily access your measurement history and track the changes in your environment to improve your well-being. On top of that, you can also tap on the top of the device, and it will light up to give you immediate insight into the health of your home. Create a more effortless and better way to take anyone's temperature with the Thermo, a smart thermometer that yields medical-grade results with absolutely no skin contact. It has 16 infrared sensors that take over 4,000 measurements from your temporal artery to give you highly accurate readings every time. Unlike others, Thermo doesn't need to come into contact with body fluids, such as saliva, perspiration, or earwax, as it can scan up to 1 centimeter away from your forehead, which makes it the most hygienic way to take anyone's temperature. Its readings appear illuminated, along with a color-coded LED indicator to tell you if the temperature is normal, elevated, or high, based on your age. The measurements made on Thermo sync automatically with its mobile app, where you can track temperature readings, set reminders, and get advanced health advice based on your age, fever history, and symptoms. If you are a woman who wants an active lifestyle and is looking for an end to menstrual pain, then look no further than the MoreCup, which is the world's first customizable menstrual cup. The main purpose of this menstrual cup is to collect blood by placing it under the cervix. Also, it is made from 100% medical-grade silicone, which is completely safe. You will be able to find your perfect fit by using the provided cutter, which will allow you to tailor the product to your own body. And as a result, it will provide you with incredible convenience in your daily life. Its carrying case is available in many colors and is crafted from harmless platinum-cured silicone material to add a bit more convenience while traveling. In short, the MooreCup is a must-have sanitary product for women who want to be active and comfortable during menstruation. It's kind of a no-brainer that most people want to enjoy white teeth, but some of the methods to achieve this are too costly, or they simply just do not work. And since you deserve a glowing white smile, you should get yourself the Glow Brilliant Teeth Whitening Device. Using professional elements of heat and blue LED light, this revolutionary teeth whitening device produces fast, visible results without tooth sensitivity. On top of that, Glow uses specially formulated hydrogen peroxide teeth whitening gel that only takes seconds to apply and stays on your teeth without running onto your gums. Besides, the precision brush tip allows you to target teeth and hard-to-reach areas, while the airtight seal inside keeps the formulation fresh and active. So, simply brush the gel directly onto your teeth, and it will penetrate and evaporate, vaporizing stains and whitening your smile. Gone are the days of using bulky wrist gadgets, because Wristlax is a new name in the game. As gaming and typing on a computer can make your wrists sore, this wearable wrist massager helps you with aching joints, carpal tunnel, finger numbness, and more stress inducers. It comes with 4 modes, including vibration and pulse, to provide you with the relaxation you crave. What's more, this also helps you sleep better, as it boosts theta waves in your brain by eliminating anxiety and insomnia, creating a calming effect. Wow, so much for a wrist gadget. Adopting good posture prevents back pains and makes you look more confident. So if you are suffering from a crooked posture, then you should get introduced to UpCore, an EMS-powered posture corrector that will tone your muscles and also help relieve your back pain. It corrects your posture by pulling the shoulders back and activating your muscles. Plus, it tones and strengthens your core and back muscles. The back brace realigns your spine and trains you to maintain the right alignment, while the EMS gently pulses your muscles to give you quick results. By using the UpCore muscle stimulation for 23 minutes a day, you will notice your muscles becoming visibly stronger, more toned, and get effortless, perfect posture after only a few weeks. So experiment with your appearance and learn about your health with the Care OS Smart Health and Beauty Mirror that works naturally into your care, beauty, and health rituals. With a 360-degree 4-dimensional visualization feature, it captures from all sides and lets you see your progress from every angle. With its skin analysis feature, you can get a full skin review and personalized recommendations to improve your daily care routine. It also analyzes your posture, tracks your movement, and gives you simple stretching and yoga tutorials to get your day started right. It offers an air quality tracker, so before you leave home, it lets you understand the air quality outside and how it might impact your health and fitness. It identifies lipstick or eyeliner and gives you an interactive virtual display to show you how to apply the product so that you can know which beauty products look best on you. It offers a facial and object recognition feature that recognizes you, your purchased products, and connects them with AR. Introducing the Fittress Plus, a pocket-sized fitness device that can measure and analyze your body composition and provide you with a customized exercise and nutrition plan anytime, at any place. The Fittress Plus 2.0 is beyond a standard body composition analyzer that can not only measure your body compositions but also measure heart rate, stress level, body temperature, and even the temperature of other substances, so you can stay healthy and fit all the time. Weight scales can't measure your body fat and muscle mass, but this device can thoroughly check your body fat, skeletal muscle mass, BMI, basal metabolic rate, body water, and step count all at once within 5 seconds, allowing you to directly check your body condition through a comprehensive app. This app can distinguish the somatotype based on the OSD's self-researched body composition, which enables it to provide 139 comments regarding your health condition while also suggesting meal plans and workout routines for your betterment. Eye strain may be a modern-day terror, but not with the idea in sight. This is a next-generation wearable eye care device, designed as a style statement and a form of relaxation. Sounds nice. How does it work though? It eliminates the eye fatigue and dark circles you get from prolonged screen time and lack of sleep. Moreover, this resolves your eye issues in 3 methods with 5 massage modes. The fun fact is, its innovative design won't block your sight, so you can work and rest simultaneously. Besides, you can use it while working, reading, or exercising anytime, anywhere. So that was our list of 10 incredible health and wellness gadgets you must try. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.